Guys, we about to play some Subway Surfers. Let's see how long we can go without using hoverboards and keys. Alright, so let's get it. I think I actually made it for like 2 million one time. Nah, was it 2 million or 1 million? 2 million. But that day I used like 10 freaking coins and a whole bunch of hoverboards. But I did do good though, so I should have got that on video. But y'all should go subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe, cause I will be doing actually more good videos, pie face challenges. I will be doing piano challenge. Let's see how long we can go playing piano tiles. But we're gonna be doing challenges like the Taki challenge. We're gonna do a whole bunch of challenges. But just stay alert and subscribe and like, comment. Yeah. But tell me if we should do truth or dare challenge, or just tell me what challenge y'all like us to do, and then we'll do it. Like, yeah, I mean, I can do like a hacks on the Xbox. I will be playing the Xbox. I can be doing hacks and mods, and for the PS4 if y'all have PS4.
And we can get free Xbox Live Golds.
And yeah, we will be giving out free Xbox Live Golds. So if y'all want like any Xbox Live Golds, gift cards, we'll be there. So like,
I'll get you, my pretty.
that was just a freaking thing so I can get some freaking 2 coins. Now I'm gonna give me a mystery box. Hope it's not another
Dragon Soul. A team RPG with attitude. Insane heroes. Moondrake. Groovy Druid. Savage Beauty. Ambitious dragons. An RPG like no other. Search for Dragon Soul today. Dragon Soul. Download Dragon Soul now for free in Google Play.
Yeah. I will be doing hacks on a lot of things, and I will be unboxing things. I will be pranking. I will be a whole bunch of a lot of things. But just like, comment, and subscribe. Just make sure you do that, so I can really know that you appreciate what I did. So I'm gonna buy some new people. At least if I want to.
If my
20,000. I probably want that too. No, actually I want her, but no, I want her. Let's see. Why she got the same pant style, bro? She just got different colors. Same shirt, but different colors. Same hair. Oh, my bad. That was the same hair. Bro, I just want him though. I had everybody in this whole game besides him.
Even my mom had all these people. Even Prince K. I did.
No, he never. His mom never did that. Never had all these people. She don't even play it like that. So how would she get that many people? Exactly. Bruh. She got the same pose though. But anyway, I will be playing more and more games and showing hacks. I will be giving out free Xbox Live Gold for like 3 months, 1 month, a year. But you just have to say Xbox in the in the comment section below, so I'll know if you want it or not. But you have to subscribe, because all my subscribers get gift cards. And I will be giving out money just to my subscribers. So you might want to subscribe. Y'all will be giving $15 gift cards to GameStop and gift cards to JCPenney's. The things that you want. Just put in the comment which one that you want, but it can't be over $15, because you gotta think about how many subscribers I'm getting. So it's just gonna probably just be $15 for any gift card that you want. Just name the store that you want, and then I'll give it to you. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.